Just turn her around. There you go. Come here, Boo. Come on, Boo. Come here, Boo. Come on.
Just take a picture.
Just put her down. I'm recording. Jack, back off. It's okay, Moki. He's just by me. See, he's by me.
You can count to 6.
Now she's hiding. I can't see her.
Oil is changing the world, and the Ohio refiner is leading the charge.
That day revolutionized business in America. We became
Oh, there she goes. She's digging.
we could make stuff, we could create stuff, we could build stuff, we could power stuff.
John Rockefeller's Standard
So I'm going to power my way one in there somehow.
kerosene
There we go.
and his exclusive deal with Vanderbilt allows him to ship his product
Oh my goodness.
to homes throughout the country at incredibly cheap rates. But for Rockefeller,
Good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a very good girl.
he's outgrown his deal with Vanderbilt. Once unable to fill Vanderbilt's trains, now he has more oil than the Commodore can possibly ship. And Vanderbilt's biggest competitor knows it.
Okay, move, Moke. You're getting up. You need to move so I can get a picture of the babies.
As one of the largest trade lines in the country, he wants to take Vanderbilt's place as king of the railroads. And he knows a deal with Rockefeller.
There she is. There her is.
Scott heads to Cleveland with his protege, a young up-and-comer named Andrew Carnegie. As Scott's most trusted lieutenant, Carnegie